Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make a voice call in Facebook Messenger on your Android device. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to click on the conversation where you want to make a voice call. This could be a chat with a friend, family member, or any contact you have on Messenger. Once you've opened the conversation, direct your attention to the top of your screen. At the top of the conversation, you'll see an audio call icon that looks like a telephone. This icon is specifically designed for voice calls and is separate from the video call option. Go ahead and click on this telephone icon to initiate your voice call. After clicking the icon, the call will begin dialing. Now you'll need to wait until the other person answers your voice call. You might hear a ringing tone during this time, which indicates that the call is connecting. The waiting time depends on how quickly the recipient picks up, so just give them a moment to respond. Once the call is connected and you're speaking with the other person, you'll notice several control options at the bottom of your screen. One of the first options you'll see is the microphone icon. You can click this microphone button to enable or disable your own microphone. This is particularly useful if you need to mute yourself temporarily during the conversation, such as when there's background noise or you need to speak to someone nearby without the caller hearing. Additionally, you can click the image and game icon during your call. This feature allows you to share your screen or start playing games with the other person, adding an interactive element to your voice call. It's a great way to make your conversations more engaging and collaborative. You'll also notice a speaker icon available during the call. Click on this speaker icon to toggle the speakerphone feature on or off. Enabling the speaker allows you to conduct the call hands-free, which is convenient when you're multitasking or when multiple people want to join the conversation on your end. And that's it. You've successfully made a voice call in Facebook Messenger on Android and learned how to control the various audio features during your call. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.